My name's Hugh Dellar, and my session is on teaching vocabulary better. I think this is a matter of crucial importance for anyone working in language teaching, because vocabulary development and vocabulary acquisition is very much at the heart of what makes students competent and confident. The more vocabulary you know, the better your reading becomes, the better your listening becomes, the better your speaking becomes, and you become a more competent user of the language. What we do as teachers in the classroom sends messages to students about how language works. And as you'll see, I'm going to be suggesting that certain ways of presenting, explaining, exemplifying, and expanding upon the language that comes up in the classroom not only boosts students' language development in terms of vocabulary, but also helps them acquire and utilize grammar much better. So you're essentially killing two birds with one stone.